Alright guys, welcome back to another video here at Wicked Garage. We're doing something different today for the holiday season, and the first time ever that I've done it. We are doing Christmas lights. So before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, and obviously subscribe to the channel. Now, first things first, it doesn't look that dirty, but it's pretty dirty. We're gonna wipe everything down. And to wipe it down, I am going to use a vinyl prep, which is rapid prep, pre-cleaner surface prep. And as you can see, it cleans and eliminates wax, oil, silicones, and everything. So I'm just gonna use a microfiber and obviously wipe all this up. I'm not really worried about my paint. My paint's iffy, so I'm not worried about any scratches or anything like that. As you can see. So we're going to wipe this all down, get it prepped, because we are using a vinyl wrap as tape. A lot of people are using painter's tape and everything. We are using ultra gloss paint like finish gloss white. So as you can see, it might not be that close, but it's close enough for me. So we also got two 394 feet Christmas lights, and I have an extra almost 500 feet right here, but we're probably not going to end up using that. We're going to be using those two. Now, these do plug into a controller and everything, so you can use a controller if you want, if you use an inverter or something like that, but it's not gonna be as bright, especially if you're using the regular aux power. So I actually have my power from the strobes that I had on here, so we're gonna take that out, and they're both gonna get wired to that. That does mean that they're just gonna turn on and off. They're not gonna do all different, patterns and all that stuff. So we're just making it pretty simple instead of making it complicated. And yeah, let's get into it, guys. So I have a roll of the white, as you've seen, and we took this, cut it into about 1 inch, I would say, but a bunch of 1 inch rolls. That's only maybe a third of the roll, and then I just cut it in little pieces of tape. So that's what we're going to use. We're going to peel it off, tape it, and we should have more than enough right here. Probably too much right there, but there is still a bunch left right here. And then we're going to take this out, wherever it is, right here. We're gonna uncoil this, and then this is gonna run it up, and then start in the middle on top, go back and forth, run down here, and just run it wherever we need to, and get this all pretty much lit up. So my dad pulled out an inverter, 500 watt, and it goes to the 12 volt cigarette lighter, and then these are plugged in. There's only 2 slots, but it's cool because both of the remotes work for both of them together, so they'll sequence together. So you don't have to do 2 separate remotes, but I just wanted to see how powerful this is. I don't have the truck running or anything, but as you can see, looks pretty dang cool. Now it's time to get the rest all done up. All right, guys, we are all done. I didn't do any on the top because I still have to use this, obviously. And we got this all routed. This side's good so that I can open it up. The other side, I did it up there thinking that it was going to pivot, but I can't really open it up on that side. So if you are doing anything, try to see where your hinge points are. And this is perfect for that. Leave a little tab. Same for the front. There's a lot going on here. I used a roll and a half of 394 feet. I'm going to return the other stuff that I didn't use because I didn't need it. And then all of this is that Vivid vinyl wrap. It's specifically made for cars. It's nice and strong. It also has this protection film on it, which is cool. But when you like go back, it's not, you know, blue pieces of tape everywhere. So definitely recommend doing that. Other than that, we're going to turn the light off and we're going to turn these on. So as you can see, we have the little inverter, like I said before, and then that gets plugged in. And then we have 1 and 2. And then these are actually, so we'll go in wave. So we're just gonna leave it on that, but it does have other functions. You have to be right there. So if we go over here, turn the light off. Yeah, baby. This thing looks sick. Well, it's cool to have this on for a couple weeks, do something different. But this did take about 7 hours to do total, but it's pretty cool. So definitely well worth it. Looks wild. But with that being said, guys, thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.